This is my drawing of a Demogorgon from Brawl Stars Stranger Things, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. We're going to begin today's lesson in the center page with a circle. So let's start from the top center, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to add some teeth going around the outside. Starting from the top, we're going to come down and then up, and then we're going to add two more on either side. Let's add those smaller teeth in between, starting from the top, round up the base, and then come out towards a point. And we're going to do that in between each main tooth. Now, in between these smaller teeth, we're going to add a circle, going all the way around in behind, and then we'll fill that center circle in black. On the outside, we're going to add a fold, going around and then in. Now we're going to add those large petals for the mouth going around. So let's start in the center, go all the way up towards the top middle, start with a point. Now we're going to start with the left side. We're going to bend this down, out, and then back in. Let's go back up to the top. We're just going to round this out, come down, out, and then in. Let's add two more petals along the top and then two more along the bottom. So we'll start with the left, going across, out, and then bend that up towards the end, round up the tip, bend this down, and then in towards the side. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Start by going up, out, and then up, round up the end, come down, and then in towards the side. Let's add two more petals along the bottom. Starting back on the left, we're going to go out, come down, and then out. I'm just going to mirror that over on the right side, round up the tip, bend this in and up towards the center. Now I want to trace these petals along the inside. Let's start from the top left, bend this in. Now I'm just going to round this out around that point and continue across the bottom. Now we're going to go back over towards the left side and then work our way in towards the middle. Now with the petals in place, we're going to add 3 sets of teeth inside each one. So let's start from the end. Start with the base. We're going to curve this around and pull this out towards a point. Do the same thing to each petal. Now from here, we're going to move over and draw 2 more on either side. Now that we've completed the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We start from the left side. We're going to add a curve that comes down across the middle and then up. Now let's move over towards the side, add a fold, coming down and then in. Now we move over, curve around the leg and then in towards the body. And we'll add one more fold, stepping up along the side, add a fold. Now in the center of the body, we're going to draw a straight line coming down the middle. Along the top, add a curve. Then along the bottom, we'll add a shorter curve. Let's move down, add a fold, going up and then down. Now we tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the left side, bend this down and out towards the inside of the knees. Step in, curve this in, and then down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel, come down and in towards the first claw. Let's draw the first claw. We're going to go up, then down toward the tip, then this up and then in towards the bottom. Let's layer 2 more claws in behind. From the top, going up and then down. Tuck that in towards the side. And we'll do that one more time. From the top of the last claw, let's curve the foot, going up and then down, aiming towards the heels. And then on the inside, we'll draw a small circle. Let's go back up to the hips. We're going to bend the legs, going out and then down towards the knees. And then bend this down and then out on top of the feet. Let's add an oval along the knees. Now we're going to go back up to the side of the head and draw on the arms. Let's start on the left, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Bend the arm, coming down and then out towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's add the claw for the thumb, coming all the way around towards the bottom. Taper this up towards the top, and then curve the end. Now we're going to add 3 claws on either side. From the thumb, that is out and then down. Curve this up, around the finger, and then down towards the hand. Let's layer 2 more claws in behind. Halfway along the outside, bend this out and down. Go up and then tuck that in towards the top. And we'll do that one more time. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then from the top of the last claw, curve the palm going up and then in, across the wrist. Step back, bend the forearm going up and then in. Now from here, we're going to add a fold, coming in, just aiming toward the inside of the elbow. Now from the top of the elbow, step in, bend the arm going up and then in behind the head. Now we're just going to add a little bit more texture to the body from the forearms. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Demogorgon from Brawl Stars Stranger Things. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.